Hey, it's Dr. Moore here at Chiropractic Care Center. We got Miss Demi here. Miss Demi, this is her second visit. Usually I do first visits because I see their expressions. Well, so we adjusted her low back pain, upper back, everything was pretty tight. 70% better after the first treatment, so that's pretty cool. She went to work out, came back a little bit, which usually happens. The body kind of reacts back again. So we're going to adjust her today and then go from there. All right, so let's go face down for me. This is her big debut. All right, Missy, let's see. So yeah, so when she came in, she was pretty good off. Now she's barely off. All right. Go ahead and raise this leg for me as high as you can. Good, that looks actually pretty good. How about this one? Awesome. All right, Missy, relax your shoulders for me. Deep breath. All the way up. Good. Nice. Ho ho. I think we'll move this one. This side up for me, facing me.
Like
here.
this way?
Yes, exactly. Straight the bottom leg for me, and the top. Beautiful. Deep breath for me. Nice. Other side. I had a patient come in the other day, and they're like, "Those are real noises." I'm like, "Yeah, I wasn't making them up." I don't know how to. Deep breath. Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
Nice.
that was a good one.
Very good. Let's go face up for me. So far, so good. Alright, Missy, here we go. All there. Good. Nice. Deep breath. There it is. Beautiful. Let's go face down and just check it. Awesome. Now, I don't know if your hips could go any higher, but let's try it. Let's go as high as you can. Yeah, it loosens it. Those are pretty good already. Beautiful. Awesome. So if you're out there, you want to get 70% better after the first visit, come on in. Don't wait. Just takes one treatment. All right. Take care.